What's up, everybody? Jonathan Rose, owner, master in trading. Let's look at Dillards, because Dillards is a trade that we did back here. We did it because the percentage of the short interest was about 70%, but yet Dillards was still buying back a lot of their stock. Dillards had a short squeeze, then came off, released earnings, bad earnings. Now it's rallying a little bit, but what's interesting is after the earnings, the short interest has even gone higher. It's at 88% right now, but Dillards continues to buy back their stock. So what they're doing is they're taking stock out of the open market. They're lowering their entire float, but while they're doing that, the short interest is getting higher. So what can easily happen, just like it did here, is this baby could squeeze at any second. I'm working in order to get long Dillards. But let me go through, because it's not so easy to get long Dillards. Now you can buy the stock. But if we go to September, trading at 59.75, there's just not anything good here. We're very wide, right? These are $2 wides. Now, I don't know, 62, if I can get these for $1.50, those don't stink. But they're not going to trade. So what I do to get these trades on, plus 10, confirm, send, $1.50 bid. If we go out to October, again, not the best markets, but 205 bid. What I'm trying to do is to kind of squeeze these markets a little bit. You should never just buy the offer. Always either join the bid or raise the bid by a little bit. Because what happens with options is there's like 10 different option exchanges. But because options have called what's the national best bid and offer, if I'm 210 bid on this option, $2.10 bid on this option, all the exchanges have to play fair, have to play together, because 205 can't trade if I'm 210 bid. Even if I'm 210 bid on the Pacific Exchange, it can't trade in Philadelphia at 205 or in Chicago at 205. It's got to trade with the best bid. So again, I'm just going through the expirations. November's a little far out, 77 days. It gets more expensive. Still not great options though. Too far for me anyway. What I would look at is the Septembers. These stink. Just work an order though. Like for instance, these for $1.30, just be the best bid. If somebody wants to come in and do a market order, you're going to get filled. Someone's doing this right here. Kind of the same thought process, right? You can see this is a pretty good bid. We're bidding too. We want to get long, but I'm not dying to do $2 here. So right now I got 2 orders working in the market. October, 65's 205 bid. September, 21 days until expiration, $1.50 bid. And so what I'll do now is I'm just going to leave those orders. Maybe if the overall market gets hit, Dillards gets filled. Everything has a beta of 1 once the market really starts moving. So the S&P futures are at a pretty big resistance point. If they do sell off, maybe my working orders in Dillards gets filled. But on the other side, if my working orders in Dillards doesn't get filled, who cares? Did the analysis, found levels that I'm happy to trade if they give me my levels. I'm not going to trade their levels, right? I'm in control of my account. I choose what I want to do. These are levels that I'm comfortable trading. If Dillard sells off and gets down to 58.50, I'll get filled. But I'm not going to chase. The overall message, be disciplined on the prices that you're willing to pay. There's a big difference between paying $1.50 for an option and paying $1.80 for an option. 10 times, that's $1,500 or $1,800. Be disciplined. You control your trading account. Don't let the market tell you what levels you should be transacting at. Hope it helps. Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. A little follow-up, guys. I just got filled. DDS is down to 58.48 when the market pulled back. Those Octobers that I was working earlier in the video, I got filled for 205. Just be patient. Position. There you go. DDS, October, 205. The mark's 215. Marks don't matter. I like it. That's how I work orders. That's how I get into the trade. Let's now cross our fingers that Dillards goes higher. Hope you enjoyed that.